Hello everyone, my name is Hana and I'm 5 years old. Today I'm going to learn about animals. So this is a chicken, and this is a goat, and this is the pig, and this is the duck. The black one is not very good. So we're going to learn chicken first. What chicken lay? You're right, chicken lay eggs. And what the goat lay? Yeah, nothing. What the pig lay? Yeah, the pig, I think, is no. So one animal is, but the chicken lay eggs for the babies and eggs for we eat. And then the duck, you know what? Yeah, just swimming around in the pond. That's it, boy. So to know what the goat do, a goat wants his tail to be long, but his tail just short. So he's gonna take someone's tail and be his tail. And then he said, "Look, everyone, I got a new tail." But he's not a new tail. He picked it up from someone. So he's gonna keep his lovely tail. He loves his lovely long tail. So he loves his tail. He keep a tail for every day. So, bye bye everyone. See you next time.